In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer version 9 on Windows 11 computer. To download Cisco Packet Tracer version 9, go to your browser and in search type Cisco Packet Tracer v90.0 download. Hit enter. You will find the first link from Cisco Network Academy. Click on Level Up Your Skill with Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0.0. Click on this link. First, you need to log in to Cisco Network Academy. If you do not have account, please sign up an account in Cisco Network Academy. I'm going to log in. Click on Login. Type the email address, then click on Login. Then type your password, then click on Login. Scroll down now. You will find a link, download Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0.0. Click on this link. Scroll down again and you will find Packet Tracer 9.0.0 Windows 64. Click on this link. Download is started and download finished. Click on Show in folder. Right click on the downloaded file and click on Run as Administrator. Click on I accept the agreement. Then click on Next. This is the default installation location. If you wish, you can change the location. I'm not changing. Click on Next. The folder name, Cisco Packet Tracer. Then click on Next. Click on Next. And then click on Install. Installation started. And installation finished. Click on Finish. First time Cisco Packet Tracer will launch automatically. Would you like to run multi-user when application starts? Click on Yes. This is the new view of Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0.0. You need to allow Packet Tracer executable. Click on Allow. Then Login Server. Select Worldwide. Click on Login to your Cisco Network Academy account, and if you want, you can check Keep Me Logged In for 3 months. That means within these 3 months, you don't need to log in again. Click on Login. This is the authentication process. Type your email address here, then click on Login and type your password, then click on Login again. You have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. Close browser. That's it. This is the easiest way to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer 9.0.0 version on Windows 11 computer.